Hi everyone. In my previous class, I have explained how to find out the equation of a straight line by using different formula. In today's class, we will do one sum from that concept. A cat is located at a point minus 6, comma minus 4 in xy plane. The bottle of milk is kept at 5, comma 11. The cat wished to consume the milk traveling through the shortest possible distance. Find the equation of the path it's given in the problem. See what is given. I have drawn a line AB. It lies on xy plane. Okay. At the point A minus 6 comma minus 4, the cat is located. The cat is located here. Then they kept the bottle of milk at 5 comma 11. That is a B point I have marked. What is given in the problem? The cat wished to consume the milk traveling through the shortest distance. So, which is the shortest possible distance? AB. That is a straight line is the shortest distance. Am I right? What is there in the question? Find the equation of the path. Here, point A is given, point B is also given, coordinates are given. If 2 points are given, if the two coordinates of 2 points are given, which formula we have to apply to find out the equation of a straight line? We have to apply 2 points formula. So I have written equation of the path is equal to equation of the straight line AB. Okay. So what is 2 points formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So what is y1 here? Y1 is minus 4. In formula, one minus is there. So it will become plus 4. What is y2? 11. Again minus y1. So minus into minus plus 4. What is the x1? X1 is minus 6. In formula, one minus is there. So it will become plus 6. Again, what is the x2? 5. 5 plus 6. Am I right? So I got y plus 4 by 11. 11 plus 4, that is 15, is equal to x plus 6 by 11. I'm doing cross multiplication here. 11 into y plus 4 equals to 15 into x plus 6. Now I am multiplying 11y plus 44 is equal to 15x plus 15 6 are 90. Now I am bringing that 11y to this side. It will become minus 11y plus 90 as it is minus 44. Bringing this side, it's taking negative sign. 15x minus 11y plus 46 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the path in which the cat needs to take the milk. Thank you.